Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B. This is a great mobility dynamic stretch workout. Let's get to it. This is great if you want to do it before a workout or just to get moving in the morning, but really good if you play sports or go to the gym. Really good to do it as a pre-workout warm-up. So let's get started. So stare at a spot to help you balance, pull your tummy muscles in. We're just going for hip circles, warming up those hips. We're just going to spend about 10 minutes doing this nice little warm up, getting the body ready for whatever your workout is going to be. Reverse it, keep staring at a spot. I say as I kind of lose my balance. Pull your core in. Good, let's go to the other leg. Let's go for about 5 or 6 circles. Reverse it. Pull the core and breathe, nice easy breath. Good, and then we're just going to go for kicks, so core in. So you're going to reach for the foot, pull the belly and really crunch. Going for 10, keep alternating the legs. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just do some rotations. Let the arms be heavy here. Don't use your muscles too much. You're just letting the arms swing. Just warming up the spine. Good. We're going to go for big circles of the arms. Again, pull the belly in. You're not letting your back, so don't let the back move. Keep the back nice and flat the whole time. Core is in. Core is in will help the, it'll just stop your back from moving so much. So pull the belly button to the spine, reverse it. Nice easy breath. Warming up those shoulders. And then we're just going to scissor the arms. Good. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in. Good, then you're going to lean over to one side, circle the arm, again warming up that shoulder joint. Rotator cuff injuries are so common, so just warming up that shoulder and getting that mobility into the shoulder joint. Reverse it, 5 circles, let the arm hang, let it be heavy. Other side, reach over, and you're going directly to the side, you're not leaning forward or back. Let the arm be really heavy, just let it swing here. Reverse. Good. And then arms out to the side, relax your shoulders. We're going to take an inhale. Exhale, twist, 3 pulses. 1, 2, 3. Inhale and twist. 1, 2, 3. Arms are level the whole time. Don't bring one in front, keep them level. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 1 more each side, rotate the core, so warming up the back. Good, come down, we're going to go to the mat, so we're going to do some step back, step forward, so come to the front of your mat, step back, I've stepped back with my right leg, bend the back leg, open the chest. Now step forward, take your left leg back, little bend in the back leg, open the chest. Step forward and back. Open the chest. And forward. And open. Good. And forward 1 more time each side. So you might get your heart rate up a little bit here. You don't want to get the heart rate up too much. You shouldn't feel like it's work. Then step back with your right leg. So now nice runner's lunge here. So bend the back knee. Now my left leg is forward, let me just turn around so you can see me. Left leg forward, now I'm going to open my arms, look over that left shoulder, look behind you. So again, twisting the core, come forward, let's change over. Right leg forward, left leg back, bend the back knee, open the arms as much as you can, look over that right shoulder. Twisting the spine. Good, come forward, come to your back of the mat, we're going to roll down, walk out into plank, tummy muscles in, getting that stability in the shoulder joint, lift the kneecaps, push through the heels, and we're just walking back. Rolling up, we're doing that one more time. Now just try and keep the legs straight. Good, tummy muscles in. We're going to step the right foot on the outside of the right hand. Help it along if you need to, and back. Left foot, sorry, on the outside of the left hand, and back. Right foot, sink it into the hips a little bit, and back. Left foot, and back. One more each side. Good. And then we are going to come down onto the mat for a back stretch. Okay, so we're going to do some back mobility work. So come down into this little X position, lift your right arm, let the right leg bend, open, open, open as much as you can. Don't let this right knee lift. You might be able to get your whole back on the mat. Start to come back, left arm lifts, bend the left knee, don't let the left knee lift. So I'm much more flexible on one side than I am on the other. This is again really normal. Good, keep this moving. This is such a lovely back stretch. All the way down the spine. Good, really open, just hold for a second. One more each side. Good, come to centre, come up, moving cat-cow. So I'm on my fingertips, round the back, come back. Forward into up dog, hips down, open the chest, look up. And round, and forward, and round, last time, and forward. Come to 4-point kneeling, pull the tummy muscles in, open, and down, other side, and down, one more each way. Really open, look up. Good. And we are done. I hope you feel good. That was just a really quick, perfect mobility routine to do before your workout. Hit subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know if you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon.